Interesting stone, shaped like a skull on one side, but has real interesting carvings on the other. Here's the carved surface of Skullstone. It's got, looks like a buffalo up here with a face right here, or a skull that's spewing out smoke and spitting out rocks. And there seems to be like a meteor right over here, and that's the side of the Skullstone. Here's a mortar. There's some rocks in it.